don't think that Chat GPT or any AI program is there yet. I think that there's certain things it can do in terms of researching the law and other things. I don't know that Chat GPT, I think it's only updated through 2020 or 21. I don't know that it would have the same type of case law. I think Google Scholar is actually very good, by the way, for case law. I've always liked that and different things. But yes, I think ChatGPT can summarize different areas of the law and other things that junior associates typically would do. At the same time, you need someone to ask questions and know what questions to ask ChatGPT or any type of programs like that. So if someone doesn't know the types of questions to ask, then it's not going to be effective. But I do think it could potentially help with research and actually reducing legal bills to some extent for clients if clients know how to use it. I don't think that most things could be done by it, but I'm not an expert in AI and what something like ChatGPT does. And there have been lots of programs around like that for a long time. There's Jarvis, there's a bunch of other things. But yeah, I think that it could probably help with a lot of tasks. But at the same time, you still need someone to know what to ask and then know what to review. Otherwise, I think a lot of mistakes would be made. But I think for people that know how to use it, I think it's a good research tool. I don't know that it's something that is going to take over the junior associates' work, but I do think it could definitely cut costs, which I think is a good thing for clients. And I think people that know how to use things like that can actually probably do much more effective research. I remember when I was practicing, there were people that didn't know how to find cases and things on using Lexis or Westlaw. There were certain people that knew how to do that, and others. It's no different than knowing how to look things up. And without a computer, so you have to know what you're doing. So I don't know that it's much of a threat. But I do think that based on what a lot of these AI programs can do, and they've been around for years, it's just as online legal research changed everything, it will do the same.